coming back to the healthcare in India, so how can healthcare in India be transformed, and how we as young doctors can take it forward?
Yes, you see something, it is already getting transformed. I will tell you how it is getting transformed. First thing is, with all the I'm always critical of medical education. I'm always critical of the shortage of PG seats, UG seats. With all these limitations, we have done very well. The higher education is nearly reaching of our dream that UG and PG seats should get equalized. We are not yet there, but we are reaching there. Thanks to all the new government policies, NMC, National Board has done a phenomenal job in increasing the number of PG seats, starting 6-year specialization courses. There are many, many good things have happened. But the game-changing factor in transforming the way healthcare is delivered, apart from the digitization EMR, is the startups who will dramatically address the pain points. I will give you one example. There is a company called PhonePe. I'm sure you are aware of it. Yesterday, I saw an advertisement that they are selling a health insurance for a 1 lakh rupees coverage. And guess what is the premium is? What do you think for 1 lakh? And there are no pre-existing conditions. Anything they cover, they don't want to know. You're a person who's alive with the PhonePe app in your phone, you're eligible. And you pay 999 rupees, they will give you health insurance for 1 lakh rupees for 1 year. Right? By any account, that is absurd. That is not possible. Because statistically, if you cover 100 people, at least 4 people will claim some kind of insurance. All they need is one person to claim 1 lakh rupees. Their 100 people premium is gone. And they're not stupid. It is. I think it is the main investor is Walmart, and they are some of the smartest people. So what they will do is they would like working class people to taste what health insurance is. And when that happens, gradually 999 rupees is nothing. I have already told my my wife and my family members, all the maids, all your drivers, everyone buy the health insurance. Because if we can get cover up to 1 lakh rupees, 80% of the procedures on the human body can be done with 1 lakh rupees. How many people need heart operation? How many people need brain surgery or a cancer operation? Most of the procedures and hospitalization can be covered with 1 lakh rupees. That is the best thing can happen. Now, company will lose the money. But over a period of time, they have introduced the concept of health insurance. 17 years ago, we started a health insurance along with state government. Karnataka state government is one of the most progressive governments. When we came with a very crazy idea that with 5 rupees per month, you can get millions of farmers to get all the health insurance benefits for surgeries, including heart operation. Nobody believed us, but the government had the guts to say that, fine, we will sponsor. And they became a reinsurer. And we did about 1.2 million surgeries. We had over 4 million farmers subscribing. And it was a successful program. Now, this PhonePe insurance, I am very, very happy that somebody has taken the initiative to start it. A lot more startups will get into it. As doctors, we should support, because we don't know how this world runs. They know how this world runs. Amazon made losses for more than 10 years. And today it's a successful company. So these financial intermediaries will come in the center and they will be the distributing agent. They will be the financial intermediaries for the healthcare. When that happens, what will happen is every hospital will become financially viable, because most of us run the hospital, constantly talk about affordable healthcare, constantly driving down the cost. And we have reached a stage, we cannot drive down the cost anymore. I left England in 1989. The first patient I did the operation in Calcutta paid 1.5 lakh rupees for a bypass grafting. 32 years later, I'm doing the same operation for less than 1.5 lakh rupees, for 1 lakh 10, 1 lakh 20,000. Some people pay 90,000 rupees. So what was costing 1.5 lakh rupees 32 years ago is costing you 1 lakh rupees today. So there is no point in us talking about affordable healthcare anymore. We should help these companies to prosper. We should maintain a integrity, service with integrity, not taking advantage of these insurance companies, and support them, introduce them to patients so that they become more and more popular. So when a patient comes to us, they will ask pointed questions on the quality, outcome, quality of life, rather than catching our feet and crying to save their life. So these financial intermediaries are going to be the change agents in healthcare. And I'm so happy that all these initiatives are taken. By the way, I have no idea who are the investors in PhonePe. I have no investment in that company.
So that's great. You answered half of my next question.